It's the end of day 1 and 8 dogs got adopted. But obviously, the cute fluffy dogs are easy to find homes for. Getting all 100 dogs adopted could literally take months. But at least on day 2, thanks to our ad campaign, we had 10 times the amount of people waiting.
Oh my god!
Here's a cute puppy. You want to play with him?
Oh my gosh.
The objective is to hit him with a cute puppy when they walk in the door. Seems to be working.
I want this one. Oh, I love you.
You want to take hands with?
Let's do that.
There's so many people out here. I don't know what to do.
I'm taking the stop home.
Okay.
There we go. Another one adopted.
In case you're wondering, these X's don't mean the dogs died. It means they got adopted.